Stop wasting money on multiple AI tools because I found the best all-in-one tool that does everything. Just look at these stunning videos. The qualities, the results, all of these videos were created using one powerful AI platform that brings multiple high-quality models together in a single place. The tool I am talking about is called LitVideo AI. LitVideo AI is a creative, all-in-one platform that provides advanced models, smart features, and professional results without any complications. It keeps everything simple yet powerful. So guys, I have added the link in the description. Just click on it and you will land directly on the homepage of the tool. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and very easy to understand. All right, now let's try the features of LitVideo AI, starting with the text-to-video feature. Just click on the text-to-video option in the menu, and you'll see a simple interface with a prompt box. Simply enter your prompt here. To enhance your prompt, you can also click on Improve this description. In the model section, you'll find a huge collection of popular and powerful models all in a single place, which is really impressive because you don't need to look anywhere else. Everything is ready to use on this one platform. You can choose any model you like. I'm choosing this one. In the sound section, you can also add background music or sound effects if you want, making your video more lively, and you can also adjust simple settings like video size, duration, and quality. Once everything is set, just click on Create and our video will start generating, and after a few moments, our video will be ready. Now look at the result. Wow, the quality, visuals, and motion are absolutely stunning and natural, giving you a professional level AI-generated video in just a few clicks. So guys, I've repeated the same process and created some other videos. Just look at the results. The quality, motion, and visuals are absolutely stunning, and everything looks so lively and eye-catching. All right, now let's try the image-to-video feature. Just click on the image-to-video option and the process is really simple. Upload your image, enter your prompt in the prompt box, and choose any model you like. Choose some basic settings like video quality and duration. You can also enable sound effects if you want to add background music or audio to your video. Once everything is set, just click on Create and the video will start generating. After a few moments, our video will be ready. Look at the result. How perfectly this tool turns a simple image into a stunning, lively, and realistic video. It's really impressive and mind-blowing. I've repeated this process a few times to create even more videos, so just look at the results, really amazing and stunning. All right guys, now let's try the video effects feature. Just click on the video effects option and you'll find a wide range of amazing and mind-blowing effects that let you create any type of content you want in just a few seconds. And if you want to create uncensored content, this tool also allows you to do that using the effects feature. So you can make any type of content you want. Everything is possible on this platform. With a single click, you can transform your images into stunning, eye-catching videos. Let's try some effects. We'll try twerk. Just click on it, and here you can see multiple styles to choose from. I'm picking this one. Just click on Go Create, and the process is really simple. Just upload your image. If you don't have your own image, you can select a sample from the platform. Once everything is set, click on Create, and our video will start generating, and here we go. Just look at the result. It's jaw-dropping, so impressive, and perfectly stunning. Let's try Christmas effects this time. There are plenty of options here, including the most popular styles. I'm choosing this one. The process is the same. Upload your image or select a sample, click Create, and within moments, the video is ready. The results are stunning, lively, and realistic. I've repeated the same process with multiple effects, and here are the results. Truly amazing, jaw-dropping, and professional quality. So guys, we've seen that LitVideo AI is an impressive and powerful tool, offering a wide range of amazing features and high-quality models all on a single, easy-to-use platform. And the results are truly stunning. At the same time, the pricing is incredibly affordable and very reasonable. It actually costs less than your daily coffee. Here's a smart little trick to grab LitVideo's lifetime plan. Normally, it costs $179.90, but if you go to the homepage and spin the Black Friday wheel, you can get it for around $89.99. It's like an insider hack for a lifetime AI tool. To make it even crazier, the annual plan is only about 25 cents per day, and the lifetime plan is less than 1 cent per day. Most other tools cost way more, but with LitVideo AI, you get all the top features and models in one place at a tiny fraction of the cost. Click the link in the description to get for Black Friday 50% off now. It's the perfect chance to try the tool, enjoy all its features, and make amazing videos without spending a fortune. So guys, you've seen all the features of LitVideo AI and clearly seen how amazing, stunning, and useful this tool is. Now it's your turn to try it out for yourself, so just go to the link in the description. It's waiting for you. Click on it and explore the tool firsthand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what type of content you've created. We'll keep bringing more amazing tutorial videos for you, so see you in the next one. Until then, take care, thanks for watching, and goodbye.